Hey guys, Bob from TST Industries here. In this video, we're going to show you the installation of this Womet-Tech swing arm spool slider system on 2015 and up Yamaha FZ-07. Now on this particular bike, there are no spool bosses on the swing arm, so it's necessary to install this spindle and also spacers. As you can see, this is what typical spool sliders look like on a bike. For this bike, we will be using this system. This installation is really straightforward. Let's begin. All right, so we'll take our pre-configured components and insert them through this side that doesn't have the axle nut. And we'll place our Allen key in here and then begin working on the other side of the bike. All right, so on this side, we'll have the deeper spacer that fits over the axle nut here, just like this. And we will configure the spool just like that. And we'll use the other remaining screw through here and into that threaded spindle rod. And once I get these screws snugged up here, I will grab my torque wrench and I've set my torque wrench to 60 inch-pounds. I'm just going to go ahead and tighten this to that torque spec. Do that on both sides just to make sure. There it is. It's that simple, and now we can throw this bike up on our paddock stand. All right, it's that simple. Bike's ready to go.